When you're doing OCLs, the width is actually correct. You need to be concerned about that as well. You do not want the OCL material to ball up or make a big crease, so that when you're looking at the sides, this being the back of the heel going through here, this material should not be balling up and poking into the patient. An OCL material that's too wide will actually have a crease in it. Some of them get pushed inward into the patient after you put the ACE wrap on, and that's another pressure point that would then be hurting that patient and actually pushing into their ankle or their heels. So always watch your width and make sure it's at the curve, that it's not poking into the patient or seeming like there's excess there. When you're doing elbows, you're going to do about the same thing. You're going to do about the same thing on the elbow. So when the patient's got their elbow bent, you want to protect that bony prominence going across the length of the elbow as well up and down the sides. If this is 2 full-size ABD pads, this one would probably be good for the elbow, but if for some reason you need it to be longer, you can do the bigger size ABD pad and then do 2 smaller ones coming up the sides, or fold them in half, whatever it takes to get the padding over those bony points. And the same way for a wrist. If you're doing a wrist and they've got a bony prominence here, some patients will have a higher styloid process. You can actually put these along the outer edge. And we've done that yesterday, in fact, on a patient that was real tender along that area. So protecting those bones along those areas are real important.